Steven Dux is a renowned day trading educator who has amassed over $11 million in verified trading profits. He has not only shared his account statements publicly, but has also had them audited by a reputable third-party accounting firm for transparency. As a college student in Ohio, managing a budget is an all too familiar struggle. With aspirations to enhance his college experience, the future trading maven set his sights on additional income streams that could afford the simple pleasures of social outings and self-sufficiency. A little did he know this initial step would mark the inception of a dedicated pursuit toward economic mastery. He started with $500 and used that for the first 2 months. He was studying for 10 hours a day and was still practicing engineering during this time. This extreme workload ended up leading to a stomach ulcer. Steven started trading when he was 19 years old. At first, he wasn't sure how much money he would need, nor did he know what kind of time commitment it would take to learn the ropes. Steven Dux transformed his modest goal of earning an extra $1,000 a month into a riveting tale of stock market mastery. His narrative commences in the humble classrooms of an Ohio college, where his crusade for trading success first took flight. What started as a modest endeavor soon spiraled into a stock market integral that wholly captivated his attention. As he delved deeper, the intricate layers of trading uncovered a complex world that mirrored the strategic intricacies of his previous gaming experiences. His engineering training became the bedrock for developing a personalized, robust trading blueprint, one meticulously tailored to navigate the ever-changing market landscape. This newfound trading blueprint resembled the thrill of competition and strategy refinement that had always fueled his ambitions. With a background steeped in engineering principles, he was able to take lessons from his engineering background and apply them to his study habits. For example, he was able to focus on the parts of the lesson or educational material that were concentrated content. He learned early on to block out what he didn't need, so he could use his time in the most effective way possible. He applied the same method to his trading education. He partnered this with lessons he learned from video gaming, of all places. His affinity for strategy games correctly taught him that there is no foolproof or 100% way to win. Someone will always try to counter you, so you have to adapt to what the opponent is doing, he recalls. This lesson led him to the realization that there is no perfect edge in the market. The top 2 things that separate Dux from other traders are 1. Memory charting patterns, and 2. Advanced statistics and analytics. He would go so far as to print out charts that had patterns or lessons he could learn and tape these to his walls. He would also dig very deep in statistics. For example, instead of just knowing or sorting stocks by market cap, he would track how stocks with certain market caps traded and tailored his trades to accommodate that. Finding your winning edge helps you stick to your plan and remain consistent, Dux says. Tracking the frequency of your edge helps determine how much you should be trading and stops you from overtrading. Eliminating your emotions stops you from revenge trading or trying to make your losses back by taking more risk. This leads to reduced mistakes. And approached the stock market with a disciplined, analytical mindset. He dissected countless trading courses and strategies with precision, constantly refining his methodologies to better suit the unpredictable nature of financial markets. Despite Steven's unparalleled commitment to mastering the stock market, he faced severe job market obstacles coupled with the daunting reality of U.S. immigration policies as he neared the end of his academic visa. With the job market with a precarious state, his dream of staying in the United States seemed to hang by a thread. Steven's entry into the competitive American job was fraught with career challenges, reflective of the experience of many international students seeking to transition from academia to professional life in the U.S. navigating the turbulent waters of job hunting with an expiring visa. His resolve was tested as he encountered each hurdle. In a moment of financial recovery that would define his future, Steven bet his tuition money on a high-risk investment, a move that exemplifies the investment risks involved in trading. The aftermath saw the investment's value plummet, threatening both his financial stability and his aspirations. However, his determination to achieve trading success eventually turned the tide. marking the start of a remarkable upward trajectory in his life path and validating the sacrifices made for his passion. At the core of Steven Dux' success in stock day trading is a rigorous adherence to a unique set of trading philosophies. These principles are deeply rooted in his background in engineering, where systematic analysis and precision are paramount. Dux's methodical approach to market analysis encompasses not just the reading of statistics and trends, but also an immersive understanding of market psychology and behavioral economics. Employs analytical approach to dissect market movements, identifying patterns that are statistically significant and hence potentially profitable. Advocates for a disciplined trading regimen, promoting the importance of setting strict risk management rules to limit exposure and preserve capital. Stresses the need for continuous education, asserting that a trader's journey involves perpetual learning from both successes and missteps. Embraces technological tools such as advanced charting software and simulation platforms to refine strategies and test theories without financial risks. Dux's emphasis on empirical research and backtesting aligns with his engineering philosophy, which prioritizes evidence-based strategies over speculative trading. His approach underscores the belief that while day trading can be lucrative, it is also a field fraught with high risk, necessitating a sober and methodical strategy that stands up to rigorous market analysis and scrutiny. Steven Dux's social media presence extends beyond mere connectivity. He is a force of nature within the trading community. Platforms such as X.com have become his stage, where a burgeoning number of followers tune in for his market analysis and trading insights. He eloquently demystifies complex market trends and strategies, fostering a robust dialogue among traders and investors alike. The trading community benefits greatly from Dux's social media discourse, where he often sparks conversations that lead to a broader market understanding. Through strategic social media presence, he doesn't just observe market trends, but actively shapes them by sharing his analytical thought process. Dux's commitment to sharing his market analysis provides his audience with a window into the thought patterns of a trading maestro. Utilizing the hashtag Duxy, he has created a unique identifier that allows followers to easily track and engage with his content. Each post by Steven Dux is an invitation to peer over the shoulder of a market maestro. By fostering a knowledgeable and interconnected network, he contributes to sharpening of financial acumen across his social sphere. As we draw the curtain on the inspiring stock trading journey of Steven Dux, it becomes evident that his path represents a hallmark of inspiration for traders globally. Faced with academic hurdles and cultural predicaments upon his arrival in the United States, Dux transformed these trials into a springboard for his stock market conquests. His tenacity, reflected in his unwavering commitment to mastering trading strategies, carved out a niche of success that most only aspire to. Steven Dux's success story transcends mere fiscal gain, symbolizing the potency of persistence and intellectual curiosity.